guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. I'm a graphic designer. I also love interiors. So today I have a rental kitchen makeover for you. This is great for anyone that's on a budget or anyone that's looking to add a bit of their personalized touches to their kitchen without making any dramatic changes that will affect your landlord. So I have it here and I'm excited to share with you my entire process. Let's get into it.
What if I told you I couldn't stay? Take me or leave me. You can still walk away. What if I told you this love won't be easy? Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here? If I say how I feel, I don't wanna wake up one day and see you gone. Will you still be here? Will you still be here? What if I showed you I could change? I really hope you don't walk away. What if I showed you this love could be easy? Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here? If I say how I feel, I don't wanna wake up one day and see you gone. Will you still be here? Will you still be here? Will you still be here? Na na na, na 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 na. Will you still be here? Na na na, na 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 na. Will you still be here? Na na na, na 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 na. Will you still be here?
So it's not gonna be easy. It's gonna be really hard. We're gonna have to work at this every day, but I wanna do that because I want you. I want all of you forever.
Will you still be here? Na na na, na 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 na.
So afraid just to say a hello.
Hey.
Or to pick up the phone just to say what is up. It's been a long time and I've been thinking, give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing. Yeah. On the dumb things we did when we were only little children. Up in the hills smoking cigarillos, waiting on a vision of what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to. anymore, anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to. Anymore, anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to. Or call me back and tell me something.
Okay, so that's it. That's my kitchen rental update. And so I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.
We never skipped class, we were living life waiting on the summer. Yeah, we live so fast, it's hard to see the seasons change. There goes another. Oh, what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is